one bedroom condo units with living room and a kitchen, double bedroom, gym downstairs, swimming pool and toilets, and private parking and a balcony. So inside the kitchen's basic, just a microwave, cooker, rice cooker, what do you call it? Toaster, electric kettle, and it's got a smart TV and hot water shower in the bathroom, shower suite, toilet, and separate shower. Living room. It's got proper bedroom. It's not like a one big room. It's a split. You've got a bedroom. And it's got the views down to the pool downstairs. And double wardrobe, chest of drawers, hairdryer, and it's got a TV as well. TV here, and a very new air conditioning unit. Can rent it per week. It's 3,500 baht per week. That's all inclusive. There's no other bills for holidays, or if you want to come to visit Udonthani, you can come. And downstairs there's private parking, so I can give you a pass and you can stay in the complex with your car. And there's private parking spaces over here and underneath the block. But it's good location opposite the Nongprajak Park in the Udonthani Museum. So it's a really good, in 5 minutes walk to the temples. You will go to the temples, or Vietnam food, Meekid noodles and Beyond Cafe all downstairs. So it's on the first floor. It's got a lift and place to collect the trash, rubbish collection. It's got a laundry, dry cleaner, service wash. And downstairs there's 2 gyms. There's 2 blocks of flats, so this block's got a gym, and across the bay's that's got a gym here, and down on my block's got a gym, so there's 2 gyms.